fruit salad. Yummy, yummy.
What a nama fail. So I bought the Nama J2 juicer. Let's get into it. So in doing my research, I originally went on TikTok, of course, to kind of compare and contrast. There is someone I follow who is vegan, and she owns this juicer, so that's kind of how I discovered it. But then I wanted to dive deeper because I didn't want to buy it just because I saw one person with it. So what I did was I started looking and comparing on TikTok, on Google, just seeing what everyone had to say about it, because I didn't want, I mean, it was not cheap. Let's keep it a buck. It wasn't cheap. They were saying that if you're going to invest in a juicer, get one that is a cold press juicer that is going to extract the most nutrients, I guess, from the fruit or vegetable. Ooh, that's heavy. Hold on. Let's see. Ah! Yay! Ooh, that's heavy. Whew. These type of boxes always confuse me because, like, is this what I'm supposed to do? I think so. Oh shoot. Oh, there's a piece on the side. So the few things I was told about this one is it's easy to assemble, easy to clean. I thought that was a big deal because I've always heard the nightmare of trying to clean juicers. Apparently this one's supposed to be really easy to clean. Wow, there's so many parts. So I'm also filming a TikTok video, so if you see me looking over here and doing all that, it's because I'm trying to be a content creator over here, okay? It's kind of like my little hobby right now, so yes. So this is what it's looking like on the inside. We have a lot to unpack. So let's go ahead and unbox one by one so we can see how this goes. I'm gonna start with the base because that just seems like it makes the most sense. How I originally discovered juicing was when I was on set in Atlanta. I used to do background work. And when I was on set, they always had a juicer at the breakfast time. And randomly one day I went up to him and was like, let me just put some stuff in there and see what happens. So I put some beets and some carrots and pretty much the same thing I bought like to try it out today, all the same vegetables and fruits. And I was like, let's just try it. I loved it. So from that point on, I could not wait to like get to set so I can make a juice. Like, I just thought it was the most delicious thing. So that's essentially how it began. So this is gonna be the base. I got the black color because everything else in my appliances are black, so it just makes sense. Like on my Ninja and all that stuff. Okay, next we're gonna do the chamber set. I don't really follow instructions, but I might because I don't want to mess it up. But I feel like you could just figure it out, you know? This is she in her glory. Yay! Ah, I'm so excited! And then here is the chamber. I think this is how it goes. One of these ways. I don't know. There she goes. Ah! Yay! Okay, do I have to clean her to start? Dang it. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'll tell you that much. But I know it says do not ever put fingers or other objects into the hopper. Noted. Oh, because this one has measurements on it, so I'm going to assume this one is the juice one, and then this one is the pulp one. The whatever this is. Oh, I think it's when you put it inside and you push it down. Honestly, I like that there's not that many pieces. Wow, there's so many parts. So I am going to look at the instructions because sometimes I listen, you know? Large. Okay, so place the auger into the strainer. Auger. What is an auger? So here's what I picked up from the farmer's market. I picked up 3 oranges. These are just, I think just regular navel oranges. And then I picked up 2 Fuji apples. I picked up some carrots. And then I picked up some beets.
That's true, and I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is
No, hold on, let me put it on the cards. You doing Pat?
Y'all do that.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. The guy at the farmer's market asked if I wanted to cut off the stem or the top, but like it just looked so pretty that I said no. But I wonder if he was asking because it's like difficult to do myself or something. I don't know. And I also don't know how you prepare beets, so I'm gonna have to Google how to prepare them because I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna cut off the whole top. I hope that's not wasteful. Look how pretty. Okay. That's the only thing about buying from farmer's market is having to actually look at the creatures inside of your vegetables. Of course, I love the saying that like if bugs won't eat it, then why would I? You know what I mean? Like if there's not bugs in your fruit and vegetables, it's a little bit questionable, right? So I do agree with that whole statement, but it is kind of like a lot. Like I bought some collard greens. All right, so that's all cut up. Oh my God, it looks so rich. I can't wait. I have bought some collard greens and there were so many like eggs and gnats and all that in it. I soaked it forever and then I like cleaned each one individually. Very intense, very intense. Because I've already, dang it. Hope I can still soak them even though they're exposed. We're gonna soak them anyway. We're just going to pour the water in. Baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda. I'm sure it won't taste like some vinegar. So we're gonna, ooh, science. Ooh. We're back. This is how she's looking. Ooh, I still got my oranges. I also got some lime. Again, I have no recipe this first time. I just want to see how it works. So I should probably peel the oranges. I'm only gonna put one orange in there. I don't think I need two. So then we got orange. I don't think I have to peel the fruit and vegetables. Okay, I'm gonna peel it. We're not taking that kind of risk. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Okay, so I have my outlet or my plug right here. Then we're gonna put the pulp on the left side, as you can see, and then we're gonna put the juicer on the right side. I'm gonna do a little bit of lime. Hold on, just half a lime. My hands smell like a fruit salad. Yummy. Do you guys remember the Wiggles? Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Fruit salad. Layering effect. I'm gonna also try to get my TikTok video. This is tough. Let me tell you. 2 videos at once. So closing the lid. Here she goes. Ready? Let's count down. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Let me give you guys a closer look. Oh my goodness. She's beautiful. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in so you can see this beauty in all her glory. Let's see it. Oh, it kind of splattered everywhere. Ah. not what I wasn't ready for. Let me get that because that's beet juice. That's gonna stain if that sits any longer. Just a little bit of splash. I'll keep that in mind. Less taster. I'm pouring it in like a little shot glass. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. You guys understand how excited I truly am. All right. Oh, seriously? I'm glad it's the pulp and not the dang juice. Oh, Kenny. What a nama fail.
You love me. I love you.
Cheers. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Just based off my first experience, I would highly recommend. It was easy to assemble, easy to use, and aside from my little debacle because I'm a klutz, everything went smoothly and the juice tastes delicious. I'm about to juice the rest of this and store it in a mason jar. Like, you guys understand how excited I am. Definitely comment below if you have any recipes, suggestions, and so forth. Other than that, stay tuned for my next video. Bye.